Got my 4 new maples in from MrMaple.com. I can tell you right away that these are going to be better trees than what I got on Amazon, for sure. So let's go ahead and open these boxes up. I'm super excited. 4 new maples in from MrMaple.com. These are the same guys that have the awesome YouTube channel with all the information. They came highly recommended as I started to get into this, and I can tell you right now that these are way better trees, way better packaged, much better experience than dealing with the Amazon seller Japanese maples and evergreens. Wow. Oh. There is 2. Go. First round from Mr. Maple is looking good. All right, first Mr. Maple order. I don't know if I'm going to order from anybody else. Mr. Maple has knocked it out of the park. First couple times I ordered from the Amazon seller Japanese maples and evergreens. They were like sticks in a solo cup size pot, basically. And they were dormant and small, and the grafts were poor. I read the reviews and I was like, well, you know, some people... No, for the same price or a few bucks more, you're getting plants. I mean, these are 2 foot, but yeah, this is the Dissectum, Acer palmatum Dissectum waterfall. As you can see, gotta love it when you get what you order. The Amazon seller, I didn't actually get what I ordered. And it wasn't until about a month when they started to pop out of the little twigs that you could tell. This is another one that I really wanted but couldn't get it on from the other seller, or just didn't want to take the chance, right? And Mr. Maple knocking it out of the park. This is the Autumn Moon, and these are beautiful. And the last, this is the Orangeola. Nice Dissectum leaves, and awesome transaction. So I will be going back to Mr. Maple. I could actually probably put these in the ground if I wanted to, but I'm going to pot them for the first couple years. Yeah, give you one more look. Again, these things are gorgeous. Great condition, great healthy plants. Super happy. So yeah, I'm not getting maples from anywhere else other than Mr. Maple from here on out, because I feel like I got a great deal. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative to y'all. Take care.